know one thing, we're not staying in here all night because we gotta go eat and we gotta go wash. Yay, you left the whole road.
Nah, I followed my satellite, buddy. That's your idiot get out spot.
Well, that's probably gonna be 3 spots for him because he don't have that big of a head, or you have a huge head. Or...
You know, when we finish this food, where are we going?
Right across the road.
Get another feeder,
Yep.
and another one, and another one, another dog feeder.
No, you got one more field, and y'all gotta go get ready for supper tonight.
Yeah, so we can go to Grandma's.
The farmer gotta do what they do.
Is Dad a good farmer?
Yeah. Whoa,
You think?
there goes that satellite going crazy again. Us trying to make us like a crooked woman going straight crooked. If it was doing this on the road, we would really lose our mind. We would go crazy.
Yeah, lose our mind.
Yeah, we would lose our mind.
Easy.
There we go. Now the satellite's calming down a little bit, but it's still going crooked.
I think it's just because Dad has a bad farmer.
No, but it's because of the satellite. Do what they do. Do what they do. Wait, wait.
That Mr. Jeff.
This is not moving.
It will. Just watch.
You see how it goes down? That means, see it going down? That means it's getting empty because we're dumping.
Yeah, I see it. See the seed? I see that. Yeah.
He said drive.
Driving.